You decide to bring a lawsuit against your careless doctor, and now you want to know, when I have an opportunity to question the doctor whom you have sued in a deposition, pretrial question and answer session, can you be in the room at the time that I question the doctor? Would you like to learn the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. The answer is yes, you can. But the better practice is don't do it. Do not do it, and I'll tell you why. All right, so for those who don't know yet, a deposition is a pretrial question and answer session that's given under oath. Each side has an opportunity to question the other side about the events that occurred. So, once we bring a lawsuit, once we get confirmation from a medical expert that you have a valid basis for a case, now we can go forward and actually start your lawsuit. But you should know that during the course of your lawsuit, the defense lawyer for the attorney who represents the doctor or hospital staff that you sued will have an opportunity to question you, to find out from you exactly what happened and what injuries you have because of that. That's known as a deposition. Lawyers also call that an examination before trial. And now, the answers that you give represent your sworn testimony, even though it's taking place in our office. And you should know there's no judge there, there's no jury there, but there is a court stenographer there to record all of the questions you are asked and all of the answers that you give. And that forms the basis of your sworn testimony. And by the way, if you contradict yourself later on at trial, now that sworn testimony that you gave during your deposition can be used to contradict you and to show that there's a problem with your testimony. All right, so let's get back to the title of this video. There will come a time during the course of your lawsuit where now I will have an opportunity to question the doctor whom you have sued. And now you should know, because you are a litigant, you are the one who is bringing the lawsuit, you have an absolute right to be in the room at the time that I question the doctor. You do. You're a participant, you're a party to the lawsuit. But I will tell you from experience, it is something that you do not want to do. Why not? Because you are going to get very upset listening to the testimony. You are going to get angry listening to the doctor's answers. You are going to get frustrated. You are going to want to get up and go ahead and smack the doctor silly, which you cannot do during the course of the deposition. And that is one of the key reasons why I tell my clients, do not come to the doctor's deposition. Now, you should know that after I'm done questioning the doctor, we will get a copy of the transcript of all the questions that I asked and all the answers that the doctor gave. And once I get that, I will then make a copy of it and I will send it to you to read. So you will know exactly what questions I asked and what the doctor's answers were. In addition, within a few days of me conducting this deposition, asking the doctor questions, I will call you and let you know exactly what happened during the course of this question and answer session. So what do I recommend? I recommend that you do not show up to the doctor's deposition, since it will only frustrate you and make you aggravated. So why do I share this quick information with you as we walk on the beach? I share it with you just to give you a sense of what goes on in these medical malpractice cases in New York. You know, I do realize you're watching this video because you likely have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but have not done so yet, and still have questions that need to be answered, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. You know, I answer questions like yours every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.